Our team works very hard to provide great service and satisfy everyone. So we love it when they provide feedback in the form of a review. It's great validation that we're on the right track. We really appreciate it when someone is kind enough to write about their experience with our staff. We believe reviews like this are a great testament to our commitment to quality. Our team loves to share this positive feedback with the world, so you can feel confident that you're turning to the right company for your needs. Let us help you with our excellent service backed by your years of experience. We'd love the chance to give you a 5-star experience too. Simply contact the number on your screen and reach out to us today to get started. We look forward to working with you, and thanks for watching.